Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to turn on or turn off substitutions in eFootball 2027 mobile. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So go to my team, tap on game plan, then tap on your my team, then tap on automatic match support, and here you can see substitutions. Tap on this off option, and then here you can see off, very late, flexible, very early. If you want to turn off the substitution, then simply tap on off option and then click on done button. And if you want to turn on substitutions, then you can select very late, flexible, very early. So you can select any one of them and then click on done to confirm it, and that's it. So by following these steps, you can easily turn on or turn off substitutions in eFootball 2027 mobile. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.